be making, wait for it, Tom Cow Guy. I know you guys are like, what did she just say? So it's a Thai chicken coconut soup. So go with the Tom Cow Guy. It's very easy. So what we're gonna do first, you see we have our chicken, we have our shiitake mushrooms. Be sure you have to get the shiitake mushrooms for this dish. No other mushrooms is gonna work. And then you have your ginger, lime, cilantro. You know, your coconut. We'll have the ingredients list over here, so easy for you guys to follow along. So first what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our chicken and we're gonna put it into the saucepan here. Bam. It's already been seasoning and marinating for an hour, so you know, you get all your seasonings in there. It's gonna be nice and fresh. And then similar with what we did in the chicken pad thai video, just go ahead and cover it so it can cook a lot faster. So while that's cooking, I'm gonna have you guys go ahead and put in a lemon wedge and a lime wedge. This can be do 2, 3, whatever, like however citrusy you want it, but I'm going with 1. And then you're gonna add your ginger to a boiling saucepan right here. So a cup of boiling saucepan, and you just put that there. That's gonna be like your flavor and your base in your soup. So you're gonna want your lemon and your lime pretty much in here, boiling for about, I would say, 1 to 2 minutes, just so you get that nice flavoring that's gonna go in your chicken and the rest of your soup. Obviously, you know, for your chicken, you want it to be completely cooked before you even add it to the soup. So we're gonna wait for that. Okay, so now the chicken is almost cooked. So while it's still kind of like in that phase where it's not pink, but it's not completely done, you're gonna add your shiitake mushrooms. This is kind of like what the mushroom looks like. You wanna make sure that it still has its stem. That's very important. So when you're chopping everything up, because this is what has like really good nutrients for you. So we're gonna take these mushrooms and put them in here. And you want the mushrooms to cook until they're soft. That's how you know when this part of this dish is done. So spread it evenly. All right. And then just go ahead and cover it again. While that's continuing to cook, let's go ahead and start on our soup base. We gotta save time here, people. Bam, start your big pot over here. I have some chicken broth in here. You can obviously adjust it to how many people are eating the soup. So I think I have about 2.5 cups right here. And then your coconut oils. Coconut, oh my God, coconut oil. I said coconut milk. Where did I get coconut oil? Do not put coconut oil in your food. This is coconut milk. Okay. You're gonna pour your chicken broth, and then you're gonna pour in coconut milk. You just want it to keep it pretty low, on a low temperature. There you go, have it simmering. So it looks like over here that our zest we have going on, our great little spices over here. Let me go ahead and turn this off and kind of show you like what I'm talking about. So it's your lemon and your lime and your ginger, and we're just gonna drain that into that pan. Mix that together. And then you just want this to sit as well, because you're gonna add your chicken and your mushrooms to it once they're done. So now it looks like our mushrooms are done. You see how soft they are right now? They're kind of like curled up into like a little circle. That's very helpful to kind of see that. So now that we're done with that, what you're gonna do is you're going to then pour this into our coconut milk and chicken broth mixture, because this is making our soup over here. And you're gonna leave this on the stove for about 20 to 25 minutes, or depending on what you have the temperature as, but I have it like mid-high, so I'm gonna leave it on for 20 to 25 minutes. All right, you guys, so as you can see, the soup is almost done. Look at that, you have your chicken, your shiitake mushrooms with your coconut milk, chicken broth. Ooh, this looks so good. But what we're gonna do is I know this looks like so much sugar in here, but no, exactly. We're just gonna take 2 pinches. So this is what a pinch looks like. Because this is a very sweet soup. You know what, this is a big pot, I'm gonna add 3. Let's just add 3 right here. So, you're just gonna mix it up. So we just added 3 pinches of sugar. So what we're gonna do is, when you go bring your soup, look at that. Just fill it up all the way to the top. Don't cheat people out when it comes to soup. You wanna give them everything all the way to the top. And there you go. This is your Tom Kha Gao, also known as your chicken coconut soup. So, what you can do, you can add a spoon of milk, why not? Just like 41. There you go. And then I just use some cilantro to decorate, but you can also add it to your soup. So for this recipe and more of my other recipes, go to my website, www.cookingwithcarlina.com, and then comment on your favorite soup. And this soup is really good, so you guys should totally try it. All right, I'll see you guys then. Bye.